Hi there, Scott Brown here. In today's exciting episode, we were meant to be hanging indoors, but this happened.
Winds of more than 100 kilometres per hour pulled down power lines, leaving many homes cut off.
Thanks to that storm, there has been no power across a lot of Auckland City. I got power though, which is great, because I can sit at home here charging all my Makita batteries. And I thought my video today would be about that. Now this is about Makita. This is not a Makita advertisement. And I was kind of worried that it would kind of seem like that. If you want a Makita advertisement though, here's one right here.
Hey listen, how about this for Father's Day? This complete Makita Supermac cordless drill kit worth over $108 for around $89.80.
Never have battery tools been better. Longer time between charges, more actual power coming from the batteries, which means it can charge more heavy duty tools that in the past you definitely needed power for. Some people have asked me, why Makita, Scott Brown? Why not Dewalt? Why not Milwaukee? Well, the truth is, I bought one Makita tool, this one right here, and it came with 2 batteries, and then I just kept buying tools to fit those batteries. I was working on an old cinema, we were restoring it. A guy called Igor, a Russian guy, he was on that job doing all the plasterboard, and he had all the latest technology. He had the laser levels, he had like hoists for lifting the plasterboard, and he was the first person that I saw that had a drill with a light on it. And I guess that kind of stuck with me because I ended up with the same drill, and this is it, the same drill. I bought it maybe 2007, 2008, and I still use it every single day. It's a little bit rough, you can't even read the writing on it. It doesn't have any staged drilling, it doesn't have the battery reader like this one has. And you can see what the battery's doing. They've added things like that along the way, but this one here has just gone on and on. And I've built the rest of my battery tool collection around that. I've got a leaf blower, a router, a hammer drill, skill saw, which is a great tool by the way, that's one of my favorites. So should you choose Makita? I really don't know, it depends on where you live. This is so loud. That's better. Here in New Zealand we have deals on Makita because so many people sell them. Milwaukee, not so much. They are ramping up promotion here, but they're still so expensive. I've got a mains power drop saw and table saw, and they're Dewalt. Now that they've got a battery system, so tempting. But unless we get more of these power cuts, it's probably not that crucial. Anyway, tomorrow I'm hoping that the power will be back on for our job and we can hang some doors, and I'll make a video about that. And I won't talk so much. Oh, by the way, that charger, 6 amp batteries, it takes about 45 minutes to charge. And for these older 4 amp batteries, it takes about half an hour. Oh dear, my phone battery isn't as charged as it could be. What am I gonna do? I've only got my cord because I forgot the wall charger. Oh wait, what's this? In my Makita charger, I have a USB plug-in. Oh my god. And then, wow, whoa, what's gonna happen here? Oh my god, it's charging. Look at that red light. What a great treat that is. What a fantastic treat. Oh my god, I'm so happy. This isn't an ad, it's not an ad. Alright, see you tomorrow, bye.
In fact, a bloke just never knows when he might need his Makita cordless drill.